YouTube was popping. I missed y'all. I told y'all I was coming back with some more heat. We got a movie about to drop. You know what it is. You know the slogan, man. Gang shit, no lame shit. You know we switch lanes quick, so hop out that slow lane and get in that fast lane with your boy. With your boy Tanya. We outside. You see me and my man JB in the back. I'm looking a little glassy. They be shit dirty, but it's okay. He don't get shit right. As you can see, we got a mod right here. Ooh, guess what that shit is? So you see I got the new window decals. Shit hard. She looking a little glassy though. I still gotta wash her, but she gonna get her right, I promise y'all. But as I can see by the title of this video, I got a mod coming, a dream mod I've been waiting to put on. I've been pressed with this shit on forever. I just never ordered it, but it's here now. We got this shit here. It's in the building. It's gonna complete the back part of the portion of the car. Got the diffuser. Yeah, you see, I got it. And then I want to get bigger pipes next, cause them drinks not sticking out far enough. I want the black the caravan pipe tips, the 5-inch tips. So I'm gonna get them, and when I cop them, we be good. I'm gonna meet my pops. I haven't met him yet, but I'm gonna meet my dad at his house, so he can help me drill this. I'm telling y'all too much. I'm gonna see you later on the video. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, fuck me like I fuck with you. Share with all your people, with your moms, your pops, sisters, your brothers. You know the deal. Share everybody. Let's get right, y'all. We going up all 2021. The rest of the lot. We going up. We going up. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see the hat, Bravo. Gang shit, no lame shit. You know what it is. But yeah, I love y'all. Stay tuned. Let's get into this video. Gang shit.
Big up, stop playing.
So gang, I will be at my dad's house in like 10 minutes. But I want to come talk to y'all, ask y'all what mods y'all want to see me do on the car. I got some, general idea of what I want to do to it. I got some shit coming. I'm gonna give y'all a hint with the color I'm about to go. My window decals is about to go. The wrap I'm about to go stupid. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I got some shit coming. I got some ideas that's different that I feel like nobody ever did before. Some different shit. But I know I'm about to put the yeah on there. No, I can't say too much. I gonna see it. Stay tuned for the whole video so you can see it. Don't skip it. Stay tuned for the whole video so we can go up. Share with your people. So we try to hit 100 subs by September. So guys, you can see I'm with my pops with gas. How you like the car? You like it? What you think about the car, Dad? You like the car, Dad?
100%.
For y'all who don't know, I was kind of hesitant to tell my pops about my car for a little bit because he didn't really approve of it at first, but he kind of he liked it. He drove it. He drove a couple times.
He got into it.
He like it now. So yeah, you about to put this on here and get right.
Dad.
Be right back. Yeah, so we're sitting here.
Let me see if I got a
Sitting here trying to.
Let me go check
I bought this for something.
Get it right. We just watched the video. We just watched the video, about to get it right. Yeah, I want to talk to you about something. Yeah, gang. You know what it is, gang shit. Yeah. But yeah, I gotta get that paint corrected anyway, so we good. Yeah, we good. But
after you finish doing all this, you need to get it painted.
Yeah,
You're gonna paint it.
I'm gonna wrap it.
What's it gonna look like?
I'm gonna come back over here and show you.
Yeah, please do.
I got you.
We'll do this after you do that.
He was in the army with this
If you
guy.
editing this,
And they
put
got
my
in there.
send
He
you
got
my
his own
TikTok
little
and my Instagram. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram and my TikTok.
Get people raised.
Big up, stop playing.
They probably do. Did you drill that hole already?
I didn't.
No, you can't.
as y'all can see, we're almost finished. She looking OC right now, I'm not gonna lie. Just the side profile of it is crazy. Almost finished. Looks good. And when you work on your own car, you gotta put in some work. Most of y'all YouTubers be faking it. Y'all be making the people do it. You gotta do it yourself. It's your car. You gotta put in work in yourself. So, as you can see, I did do a little bit of work. So don't play with me. We have finished the worker bill. It is complete. As y'all can see, she looking right. Oh, I got some shit on my car. Get off. Get off. But nah, as you can see, we finished. She looks OC. The side profile is just ridiculous. Watch y'all, Gav, with the diffuser. Oh my stars, it ain't look OC. But I got another video dropping real soon. And I got some. All we need is momentum for the channel. I got momentum coming. The ball about to get rolling for all this YouTube shit. So just stay tuned. Don't quit on me just yet. I got some shit coming. I promise y'all. Me and bro about to be. Yeah, gang. You know what it is.
Coming soon.
Worker bill, as you saw, we're finished. Took us about like an hour and a half to do that shit. It looks fucking good. That didn't look sweet. I'm not gonna cap it. It looks great. So now the back part of my car is probably like 95% done. Waiting for that one more thing, and then we'll be good in the hood. We'll be straight. I like being able to see it out my window. It just should look so good now. I can't even cat. It should look sweet. But I'm on my way in the house. So I get out of the car, I will pick y'all back up and finish the video. So, gang. Gang. As you can see, it's a new day. I thought I was about to finish, conclude the video, but I came to the conclusion that the worker bill I bought is not the one that I really was looking for. But I did watch a video on YouTube, and they told me that I could spray paint it to make it look like the one I actually wanted. So I ordered the spray paint right here. I ordered it. It came yesterday. It was not to be until August 2nd, but it came yesterday. So that's a plus. I'm not gonna finish the video. I was gonna drop it when I spray painted it, but now I can do it because it came faster than I expected. So right now I'm actually at work. Right now I'm at work. I don't get off till 2:30, but my lunch break is at 11, right? But I need to get something to spray paint it on, like so it's not on the ground. Like, I want to put on something I can see the spray paint going on type shit. You feel me? So I'm about to go find like some cardboard or some shit to put on there. But you guys will see the whole process. Also, why I did conclude video concluded because I felt like it wasn't long enough. You know, I wasn't talking enough in the video. You've seen a little bit. You probably saw the B-roll. So it wasn't long as I expected it to be. Pause. So I'm about to make it a little longer and get the video out for y'all. So again, as you can see, I have the cardboard. Now let me explain to you what I was talking about. The worker bill, as you can see, the whole thing is see-through. The whole thing is see-through, and I was supposed to get the polished one, but like I said, I had this spray paint that's gonna, like, you gotta spray paint one side and then it'll look like the polished one. So gang, so as you can see, I have taken it off my car. Took it off. Now I just gotta, I just gotta spray paint it now. I want it to be black, so that's why I'm about to spray paint it black, so it can look like have a dark finish to it. So gang, as you can see, my hands all black on spray painted, but it looked better. I'm not gonna cap. It looked tough. I flipped it over. I gotta clean the front off because it's a little dirty, but it looks like I wanted it to look. So I'm pretty hyped about that. I was kind of scared it wasn't gonna look the way I wanted it to look, but it looks perfect type shit. So I'm about to put it on, wrapped up everything. This shit ain't looked 1,000 times better. You can realize I can't even see through that shit no more. 1,000 times better. I'm not gonna cap. I got clean. It's a little dirty, but it made the back look better. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm excited. I'm happy about that. I was scared it wasn't gonna go the way I was planning to go, but it went perfectly. It looks like I wanted to look. So I'm finished. Now I can conclude the video. Like I said, fuck with me like you stuck with me. I appreciate all y'all for fucking with me. I love y'all. And we only going up. You know the slogan. Gang shit, no lame shit. You know we switch lanes quick, so hop out that slow lane, get in that fast lane with your boy Tom. Get a like, comment, subscribe, share with your people, with your mom, with your pops. You know the deal, man. I'll see you on the next video. I love y'all. Gang.